All right, Mary, this is the top of the tram at Snowbird. We're at 11,400 feet, I think. It's actually not terrible up here, except it's very cloudy and overcast, as you can see. It's unfortunate that the battery went dead when I was trying to do the Cirque Traverse. But I will show you what that looks like, hopefully if we get down there in time. And there's the tram there. A couple of locals are looking to just get a view instead of skiing down. They're not hardcore like we are. All right.
Do things.
There's John. There's Dan.
Yeah.